So, hey guys, welcome back to Being CA. So, today we will register to CS Executive. So, let's get begin. You must have required documents with you while registering into CS Executive, such as your mark sheets, your CSEET result, your ID proof, etc., which we will discuss in detail in the video. So, firstly, go to icsi.edu.in. Now go to online services. Now go to register for CSEET pass students in executive program. So here are the documents mentioned which we have to keep with us, such as your photograph, your signature, your 10th class mark sheet, your 12th class mark sheet, your ID proof such as Aadhaar card, passport, voter ID, PAN card, DL, ration card, etc. And you also have to upload your CSEET result card. So make sure to ready these documents with you. Now click to proceed to registration. Enter your CSEET unique number. Enter your CSEET roll number. Enter verification code. Click on submit. Now select the program. Here it will automatically show executive. So click on executive. Click on qualification CSEET passed. Enter your Aadhaar card number, which is optional. Select your title such as Mr., Miss, Mrs., etc. Your first name will be automatically shown. Your last name will also be automatically shown. So select your gender. Select your category now, such as general, SC, ST, OBC, etc. So select wisely. Here will be fee concession for different type of people. So select your date of birth now. Enter your mobile number now. You will get ICSI notification on this number. Re-enter your mobile number. Enter your mail ID. Re-enter your mail ID. Select venue for mandatory one-day orientation program. Here is the list of cities where you can take one-day orientation. So if you don't found your city in the list, so don't take tension. There is an option of online also. Here is the option through online mode. So you can choose the option of online mode. Now fill your address. Enter your state. Enter your district and enter your city. Enter your PIN code. So if your correspondence address is same as permanent address, then click on the box. Recheck all the fields you have filled. Now click on next. Now here your unique ID will be shown. Now click on next. Now add your relative information of your father or spouse name. Your mother name will be mandatory here and your father name or spouse name is also mandatory here. Now enter the qualification here. So जो भी आज तक आपने क्वालिफिकेशन प्राप्त की है, आज आप उनका यहाँ शक्ति प्रदर्शन शो कर सकते हैं. Just like your BCom honors, your 12th class, your 10th class, your ICI, your ICMAI. और भावुक होकर नर्सरी केजी की मत फिल करना. Now click on next. So select here how do you know about CS codes. So it is optional, you can select. So here your amount is 10,600. You can uncheck the box also to reduce 500 rupees, which are for CS General, which is of 500. It is optional, so you can uncheck it also. Now click on next. Now upload your photograph here and signature also. Now upload your 12th class mark sheet. Select the qualification year, choose your file and upload it. Now select your 10th class mark sheet, select your qualification year, choose the file and upload it. Now select your ID proof, choose the file and upload it. Now select your CSEET pass certificate, select the year, choose the file and upload it. Now click on the checkbox. Go to next. So here is the preview of your whole application. Recheck all the fields carefully. Now confirm application. After confirming application, you will be forwarded to the payment gateway. So select the mode. So if you are having credit card, debit card or debit card with ATM pin or internet banking or wallet, then you can go for BillDesk payment gateway. If you are having debit card and credit card only, then you can click on Axis Bank payment gateway. And if you want to physically go to bank to deposit, then click on Challan. So you have to go to Canara Bank to deposit the Challan. So now BillDesk has the online options, so I will prefer to go on with the BillDesk. Now click on next. So here is your request ID, your transaction ID, your payment type, name, number, etc. So now click on proceed. Now here it is showing the option of credit card, where Visa, MasterCard, American Express and RuPay are accepted. Your debit card with ATM, internet banking, wallet or UPI or QR. So let's pay through UPI. So click on payment gateway. So after processing your payment, here it will show payment status, and you will get a PDF. You can download it. Here your membership number, your registration number, your receipt number, etc. are there. It is just like a fee receipt which is containing your membership number also. So download it or print it also. So that's all for today guys. Meet you in another video.